If you want to examine loose connective tissue proper, specifically adipose tissue, you can examine a section of adipose tissue itself. So this section of adipose tissue is stained using a special stain, specifically Mason's trichrome. In this case, you can see that the adipose tissue is divided into lobules, and these lobules are divided by the blue color fibers, which is your collagen fibers. So in Mason's trichrome, collagen fibers stain blue. Okay, let's zoom in on the individual adipocytes. So these adipocytes, by the way, are white adipocytes because they only have one lipid droplet inside each cell. Let's zoom in more and try to look for cells which have flattened um, nuclei in the periphery. Although sometimes these flattened nuclei have already been lost during the tissue processing. But supposedly they should be somewhere here, here, or here. So in this preparation, again, you can see there is fibrous connective tissue, irregularly arranged collagen bundles, separating your adipocytes. Okay?